much. And I would like to request Muhammad Gayaz of IOC Karnataka to unmute and speak, ask his question.
Hello, good evening, and also good morning to the people from US who joined. And DK Shukumarji, I am from Mysore, but here residing in Bahrain, and IOC Secretary, and also KPCC Bahrain Chapter Vice President. I will not take much of your time. First of all, we all re-energized when you are appointed as a president of KPCC, because Congress here under the leadership of Mohammad Mansoor, our IOC president, it is re-energized and also getting very active. And we are about to form other states Congress, this one also, team. And since 1 year, Congress KPCC Bahrain chapter is formed, and this Mrs. Aarti Krishna has played a vital role in forming and bringing congressmen all together here in Bahrain. I thank you her, and also the special support from Sam Petrodaji. And my question is like, being a NRI, how we can support you, how we can strengthen Congress in particular in Karnataka and in general in India. And second question, what is your strategy to get 100% people registered in voter list? We have seen in previous elections, 30 to 40% of voters are missed out. And out of that, another 15-20% they will not come to vote. So what is your strategy to make 100% registered on the voter list and bring them to the polling booth to vote 100%? I feel that those are missed out voters are from Congress party, or especially the secular parties. And my one more question is like this related to COVID. The government, we are all engaged in COVID crisis, but government having some hidden agenda, and they are victimizing those who are anti-CAA, and they are arresting students, civil activists, and former bureaucrats. They are booking them under the cases and be victimizing them. What Congress party is taking step to bring these people and support them and bring the students of JNU or Jamia or any other universities into Congress and stand with them. Please just brief us about these points.
I fully agree with you.
Just last point, I will tell you, there are many NRIs, coming back to India, okay, with lot of experience and skills. We need to have some kind of incubator or 1.1 window where we can get support from the governments to establish our own businesses and contribute to the economy of our country. Thank you.
Mohammed, I can fully understand your sentiments. The central government, after coming to the second term, I think on this NRC, CA and all, I think the entire country, for the first time after the independence, people across the country, they came out, they shouted, they resisted, a lot of strikes, the students came out. Not what it is, not the question of one community or two community. The entire Indians, basically the educated class, had to show their loyalty to this their motherland. As a Congress party, we have already been fighting to it, and this, I think, if COVID had not come, it would have been escalated a lot. I think the BJP government at the national level and the state level is on this punitive agenda. They are coming out with the hate politics. Only agenda is hate politics. Those who raise their voices against them have been booked with the various cases. But I feel we all have to join together and fight. I'm sure the days are coming, very good days are coming in the future, but we should not yield to all this type of pressures. Let us all fight. We are all there to support. I think in the earlier, about 3 months back, when I met our leadership, we discussed on the same issue. We have to strengthen them. We have to give them whatever the basic, I think, strength we have to be given to all the people who have been looking at this angle. Just I don't want to, because this all issues will be on the public platform. I don't want to share my views on it. But one thing, I have confidence on us. The Congress party will fight it out and give a moral support to all of you on this angle.
Thank you. One thing I mentioned that I felt that the Congress party was on back foot till you have been arrested, and your arrest motivated us to come to the street and openly oppose this government, and that led to many agitations. Thank you very much, sir, and sorry for that victimizing you.
What to do? What to do? Always, those who want to be loyal will have to be taste all this type of situation.
Thank you so much. Thank you.